Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Ps5 has the required system update and you have a compatible M.2 NVMe SSD and heatsink. Once done, power down the console, unplug all cables, and put it on a soft, static-free surface. Use an anti-static strap if available. Next, slide off the right side panel. You want clear access to the expansion slot. This first step gets you straight into the hardware, so you can install the drive safely and avoid unnecessary delays. With the panel removed, take out the expansion slot cover and loosen the mounting screw and standoff. Insert the NVMe SSD into the M.2 slot at a shallow angle, about 30 degrees, so the connectors seat cleanly, then press it down onto the standoff and secure the screw. Next, fit the heatsink to the drive per its instructions. Packing it properly controls temperature and prevents throttling. Make sure the heatsink and drive clear the bay edges so the cover will close without pressure. Once the drive and heatsink are secured, reattach the Ps5 panel, reconnect cables, and power the console on. The Ps5 will detect the new drive and prompt you to format it. You must format for use with games. After formatting, move a game or two to the SSD to verify load time improvements and system stability. If the drive isn't recognized, shut down, reseat the SSD and heatsink, confirm compatibility and firmware, and make sure your Ps5 software is current before seeking further help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.